Hello everyone and welcome, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to use Umax app for free by invite. You see, based on recent user feedback and App Store information, I'm going to give you a breakdown of how the Umax app's free by invite system generally works. Umax primarily analyzes facial features from selfies to provide ratings and potential improvement suggestions. The app utilizes in-app purchases for full access to analysis and features. And features. It also offers a system where users can gain access by inviting others. That is the free by invite feature. Now, it is important to note that app features and requirements can change. With that in mind, this is a general guide based on common user experiences. 1. Make sure you've downloaded the Umax app from your device app store and you've installed the app on your smartphone. For initial setup, you'll likely be prompted to create an account or provide basic information. Once you've done all this, its next step is the selfie submission. The app's main function revolves around analyzing selfies, so you need to take or upload a clear selfie as instructed by the app. To access certain analysis results or features without paying, you'll likely encounter the invite friends requirement. From information found, it is common that the app requires the user to invite 3 friends. The app should provide you with a unique invite code or link. Share this code or link with your friends through messaging apps, social media, or other platforms or methods. Your friend must download and install the Umax app using your invite code or link. It's possible that they may also need to create an account. Once the required number of friends have successfully installed the app through your invite, you should be able to gain access to the previously logged features. It's important for you to consider 1. App updates. You see, app developers frequently update their apps, which can change features and requirements. The free by invite system may be modified or removed in future updates. Be mindful of the app's privacy policy and data you're sharing, especially when submitting selfies. That the app is providing an analysis and that beauty is subjective. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.